Once spent days designing an automation for a task that only took 2 minutes. I had volunteered to help HR with a weekly workflow, upload open roles, then announce them to the company. In my head, the solution was already built. Power Apps, Teams automation, recurring workflow orchestration, maybe later an agentic layer on top. Then I finally talked to HR. That is when I learned I had been solving the wrong problem. Posting the announcement took them about 2 minutes, formatting the Excel sheet beforehand took them 30. I had optimized the visible step, not the painful step. The right solution was not a bigger workflow, it was a small Excel script. That mistake gave me one of the most useful lessons I carry into AI workflow design. Now, do not start with the most impressive architecture, start with the real bottleneck. That changes how I evaluate automation ideas in 2026. If the work is structured and repeatable, I want a script. If the path is known, I want a workflow. Only when the ambiguity is real do I want an agent. The question I trust now is not, can I build something more agentic for this? It is, where is the actual friction and what is the smallest thing that removes it? Because in the current tooling climate, the fastest way to build the wrong thing is to start from what the platform can do instead of what the workflow actually needs.